Our lesson today is talking about law of sines. How to find that rule. First we'll find the area using sine A. So we'll use C and B. So the rule will be have BC multiplied by the angle between them is A, so it will be sine A. Have BC sine A. And if we want to use angle C, that is angle C, we'll use B and A. So it will be, the area will be have AB sine C. And if we want to use angle B, we'll use C and A. So the area will be have AC sine B. Okay, and remember we are talking about what? Same area. So all of them are talking about same area. That is the common between them. Same area, same triangle. So all of them are equal. I can say that rule equals to that one equals to that one. All of them are equal to each others. Okay, because we are talking about same area. From here we can say that have AB sine C equals have AC sine B equals have BC sine A. They are equal if we are talking about same triangle. So we can multiply by 2 to remove half. We can multiply here by 2 and here multiply by 2 and here multiply by 2 to remove half. Multiply all of them. In general we will multiply by 2 and divide by ABC, all of them. So here if you multiply by 2 you will cancel half and here and here. Then you will divide by ABC. So the first fraction will be AB sine C over ABC, and second will be AC sine B over ABC, and third BC sine A over ABC. So we write the first fraction equals all of them divided by ABC. Up we write AB sine C, second AC sine B over ABC, and third BC sine A over ABC. Then we will remove AB with AB and the AC with AC and the BC with BC. So the first fraction would be sine C over C, here sine C over C equals sine B over B equals sine A over A. And that is the sine law. So any angle, sine any angle over its opposite side equals the sine of any angle over its opposite side, like that one. So we can use that rule for any triangle, even if we have it right triangle, like that one. Okay, he told me to find all the unknown measures, whatever sides or angles. So we'll start with angle D. It's easy. angle T will be 180 minus both, because that's a triangle. So measure angle T will be 107. Then we'll make fraction equal fraction. We'll make sine S over S equals sine R over R. Why we use sine R over R? Because it's given up and down. That fraction is given up and down, so we can put, instead of sine R, sine 35 over R. Its opposite is 50, so I can write 50 equals, if we want to find T, write sine T over T, and if we want to find S, write sine S over S. We'll use both that fraction with sine R over R, because it's given up and down. Then replace T, 107, we wrote it here. Then cross. How? T multiply sine 35, it will be T multiplied by sine 35 equals 15 multiplied by sine 107. 15 multiplied by sine 107. Then divide by sine 35, divide by sine 35. So T equals, use calculator to find that, it will be about 25. With the same steps, you will find sine S, it's a given 38 over S is unknown, equals sine R, it's a given, over R15. Then cross. S multiply sine 35, that is S multiply by sine 35 equals 50 multiply sine 38. Then we will divide by sine 35 sine 35. So S equals, the value of that fraction will be 15.1. I think it's easy. Move to second problem. Okay, we will solve for here. How to find the angle A? 180 minus both. So I can write measure angle A equals, first the problem told me to find all the unknown, solve the triangle. So I will start with measure angle A. Measure angle A equals 180 minus, open bracket, both 28 plus 42. The measure angle A will be 110 degrees. Okay, then how to find A or C? We will use sine B over its opposite A, because it's unknown. So I will write, if we want to find A, I will write sine A over A equals sine B over B. Then I can write, instead of A is 110. Then cross 8 multiply sine 110 equals A multiply sine 28. That is A sine 28 equals 8 sine 110. Then divide, that is A. Then divide by sine 28. Sine 28 sine. So A equals, you will find that A will be about 60. 15 answer. Okay, and with the same steps we can find C. How to find C? Write fraction equal fraction sine C, that is C, over C small equals sine B, that is B, over its B 8 over 8. Then cross C multiply sine 28, C multiply sine 28 equals 8 multiply sine 42, 8 sine 42. Then what shall I do? Divide by sine 28, divide by sine 28. So C equals, it will use your calculator, C will be about 11.4. Okay. Okay. Move to the last problem. We will make fraction equal fraction. We have just one angle, so I can't find third one using 180 like number 4. But we will write fraction equal fraction. So I can write sine A over A equals sine B over B equals sine C over C. Then replace sine A is unknown and A is unknown. Sine B, it's a given, 33 over B 12. So that is 33 and that is 12. And C is unknown, but sine C is unknown, C is unknown, but its opposite is given, so I can put 50. From here I will make cross to find sine C. So forget the part, we'll make cross here. So 12 multiplied by sine C equals 50 multiplied sine 33. Then we will divide by 12. So sine C equals 0.68, about 68. So to find the measure angle C, shift sign, it will be about 42.9 degrees. That is measure angle C. So I have that angle 42.9. So we can find angle A, 180 minus both, 133 plus 42.9. So measure angle A will be, for that problem, measure angle A will be 104.1 degrees. How to find A? Use fraction equal fraction. Sine B 33 over its opposite 12 equals sine A, we found that 104.1 over A. Then cross, so A will be, using cross, A will be about 21.4, about 21.4. That is it. If you want to know how to find it, multiply 12 multiplied by sine 104.1, then divide by sine 33. That will be A.